Welcome back, and we have some breaking news coming in. Two terrorists have now been killed in the encounter operation in Bijbehara area of Anantnag district this time. Earlier today, we brought to you the update that the forces trapped these two terrorists and they have now been eliminated. That is the latest update coming in. And this morning, we had reported of an encounter operation that was underway in Bijbehara as well of Anantnag district, where two terrorists had been trapped. In fact, the police had also recovered several of the weaponaries as well from these terrorists in another encounter that was underway. But these are two terrorists that have now been killed in the encounter operation in Bijbehara area of Anantnag district. And earlier today, we brought you this update of the forces that had trapped these two terrorists. And we'll try to shortly go across to my colleague Zeenat as well. But let's take a look at this report filed by my colleague Zeenat first.
If you talk about the encounter in Bijbehara, two terrorists have been neutralized in Bijbehara encounter, although the terrorists were involved in the killing of Army Jawan from the Territorial Army Wing, Mohammed Salim Akum, who was killed by terrorists day before yesterday in Market. And within 42 or 24 hours, rather, the anti-terror operation was launched by SOG Anantnag along with 3RR. And in this encounter, now the terrorists who were responsible for the killing have been neutralized. Both the boys are local, and arms and ammunitions too have been recovered from the encounter site. If we talk about for the last 72 hours or so, we see that the number of anti-terror operations from South Kashmir, particularly two districts, one was in Shopian, Anantnag, as well as in Tral, which comes under district Pulwama. Some 12 terrorists were neutralized by Jammu Kashmir police along with army, because if we talk about the Shopian, 5 terrorists other day, then 2 were neutralized in Noibuk, Tral, and also then yesterday, then the encounter was reported from Shopian. 3 bodies in the morning were recovered along with the arms and ammunitions. And now Bijbehara encounter, if we talk about that, the 2 terrorists have been neutralized and the bodies, arms and ammunitions have been recovered. So we see that not only the Lashkar have been neutralized, but also HM also, as well as AGUH, and the chief of AGUH, Imtiaz Shah, was neutralized in Tral. So we see an upper hand of security forces when it comes to anti-terror operations, neutralizing of terrorists, particularly in South Kashmir. We have been seeing number of CASOs being launched for the last couple of weeks to hunt these terrorists, although there have been an appeal coming from Jammu Kashmir police along with the army for the local boys that they are there to welcome them. They want them to surrender even at the last moment. But in all operations, we saw that none of the terrorists were ready to surrender and fight, in spite of their appeals not coming only from the forces, but also from the family members.